Holy cow, we've got an absolutely massive episode ahead. So many crazy things have happened, I don't even know where to start. Nah, I'm kidding. To be honest, it's been a light week on the news front, so I'll share a few stories and a flurry of some interesting tweets. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and welcome to another episode of Last Week Crypto. Every Sunday, we review the performance of the largest cryptocurrencies, top gainers, as well as the latest global news stories affecting the crypto markets this past week. This week, we will discuss why Bitcoin's price could go parabolic in just a few weeks, why some people aren't bullish on gold in the short or long term, and generally why no one is really bullish on much going on in the world right now, especially the US dollar and economy. To check out the links to all of the articles we discuss, go to cryptocasey.com/lastweekcrypto. This week's episode is brought to you by Crypto.com, an exchange with over 55 different cryptocurrencies you can buy with bank transfers, debit, or credit cards at true cost with no markups. If you use the link below to sign up for Crypto.com, you'll receive $50 worth of free cryptocurrency for free when you use the referral code CryptoCasey, all while supporting the channel. It's so important to have relationships with multiple exchanges with this incoming bull market. Many times, exchanges have to hold funds, freeze transactions, and lock accounts when they are overloaded with increased demand. So check out my list of recommended exchanges below to sign up so you have multiple options to trade when the crypto market really starts to take off. Also, I conduct a weekly AMA or Ask Me Anything every Wednesday at instagram.com/CryptoCasey. So please use the link to my Instagram account listed in the description area to follow me and ask me anything you want every Wednesday. Please note that I only have one Instagram account and I do not ever engage in direct messages on Instagram. Many scammers are making fake accounts that say official private Instagram account and then message people to try to get them to install software on their computers. All of those are 100% scams. I will never ask you to send me cryptocurrency, and I will never ask you to install software on your computer to make a profit. And neither will any other real crypto influencer. So please beware of scammers and report their accounts if you come across them, as that's the only thing we can really do. Also, over the past year, YouTube has been cracking down on crypto content creators, freezing their accounts, and in some instances, permanently deleting their accounts without warning. So just in case this channel ever experiences any issues and you still want to have access to the content, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, and head to my website and sign up for my newsletter I'll be starting soon. That way, we have a more decentralized way to communicate outside of just the YouTube platform, just in case. Awesome. Now, let's jump into Last Week Crypto. Looking at the top cryptocurrencies by market cap over the past week, Bitcoin had a big spike Monday over $12,000 before dropping to $11,800 at negative 0.6% overall. Ethereum consolidating nicely at negative 5%. XRP at negative 2.7%, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I care about those guys. Chainlink taking a dive after a huge rally last week, down 16%. Taking a look at the top gainers this week, OMG had an OMG 302% surge, followed by NXM up 181%. Yearn.finance, man, this thing has been a top gainer quite a few times now, up 146%. Well, if you're thinking about getting into crypto, or if you're already in and want to invest more, consider doing so before September 7th. Bitcoin to ignite after Labor Day, warns former Prudential CEO in surprise crypto flip. George Ball, the chief executive of investment firm Sanders Morris Harris and former chief executive of Prudential Securities, has changed his tune on Bitcoin, switching from being a Bitcoin opponent to an advocate, and warning people will begin turning to Bitcoin after Labor Day on September 7th. I've never said this before, but I've always been a blockchain, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin opponent. But if you look right now, the government can't stimulate the markets forever, Ball said. He also expects there to be a surge of Bitcoin buying after Labor Day, branding current global markets as stuck in the summer doldrums, with investors waiting for a spark that he thinks will ignite in early September. The time to reposition portfolios is before the fuse is lit, or when the fuse has been lit but hasn't exploded yet, Ball said, adding the time is probably now. Cool. So assuming his prediction comes to fruition, just how high are we talking? Well, This trader says Bitcoin price will explode if Bitcoin breaches $13,000, noting the increase in open interest and recent price rally is picture perfect. And don't forget about Ethereum. I agree with these two tweets that 1, Ethereum is heavily undervalued, 70% down from all-time highs. You are not too late. And 2, having Bitcoin today is like tinkering with the internet in the 80s. Imagine the opportunities. Like I mentioned in the intro, not a lot of interesting news happened, so this episode will be riddled with tweets. So parlaying off of the internet in the 80s tweet, imagine the opportunities, well, I found these interesting to think about. How to build a $2 trillion company, #Apple. And it shows a photo of all these dang connectors they keep forcing on us to make nice, juicy profits. I mean, check this out. The last time I was on a plane, I completely forgot this thing, to connect my headphones to my phone. And I just cannot with flying, and I especially cannot with flying without my In Case the Plane Crashes Spotify playlist. So I spent $22 on this thing. I mean, look at it. Truly incredible. So if this bullcrap is worth 2 trill, there's no freaking cap whatsoever on crypto's upside. Oof, a bit spicy, but I'm about it. Funny because Apple was one of those amazing opportunities some people were able to take advantage of as an early adopter of tech in the 80s. So if you missed out then, or just didn't exist like some of us, carpe diem, carpe crypto. Seize the crypto, guys. Because gold won't stand a chance in the next decade when Elon Musk totally crushes it with Asteroid mining. Casey, no. You've gone too far. You've gone mad. That's just pure insanity. Hey now, not so fast. This week, Musk confirms Asteroid mining is a risk to gold prices. This conversation was sparked earlier this week when the Winklevoss twins tell Barstool's Dave Portnoy to pick Bitcoin over gold due to Elon Musk's space mining. They told him Elon Musk is going to destroy gold. He's going to get up there and start mining gold. That's why gold is a problem, because the supply isn't fixed like Bitcoin. Gold is for boomers who don't understand that. Oof, another spicy one. Lots of heat in this episode. Cameron also adds, Elon Musk can't change the supply of Bitcoin. It's the only fixed asset in the galaxy. And look at this, gold versus Bitcoin. It's hardly a fair fight at this stage. Gold to Bitcoin going down in the short term. Time is running out. Take it from Rich Dad Poor Dad author. Buy Bitcoin before major banking crisis. There is no longer any time to think about buying safe havens like Bitcoin as dollar weakness continues worsening. I mean, the world is on fire, and not in a good way. This is the world we live in. Nearly 30 million Americans reported not having enough food last week. Meanwhile, new record for NASDAQ. Oh yeah, woo! But wait, there's more. S&P 500 closed at a record high today, fully wiping out its losses from the coronavirus. This is the great American comeback. God bless. It's truly a miracle. And I'm not even joking, it's truly a miracle. Miracle by definition is a surprising and welcome event that is not explicable by natural or scientific laws, and is therefore considered to be the work of a divine agency. Divine? Not sure in this case, unless you would consider the Fed's money printer divine. It has been working wonders during the worst global financial crisis that the world has yet to see. In fact, this is corporate America 100% right now. Consumers need more government handouts, or we can't meet our earnings targets. But come on, do you really think people are going to spend stimulus checks on consumer products? Or do you think they're more concerned about not being homeless? Mortgage delinquencies chart biggest quarterly rise ever. Not good, especially considering property collapses frequently lead to banking crises, and this should ring alarm bells. Have central banks and financial watchdogs underestimated the threat posed by collapsing real estate prices to the financial system? You bet they did. And the US dollar just broke support. It's now at the lowest levels in 2 years. Wow. I warned you this episode would be riddled, completely saturated with tweets. There's just 2 more though, I promise. Let me introduce you to the new Chief Marketing Officer of Bitcoin. He's doing great work, destroying the dollar to give Bitcoin a chance to grow. And at the end of the day, many people believe that money comes and is created by the government. But this last tweet paints a more realistic picture of the actual truth. Many believe governments are the originators of money. In truth, money is the originator of governments. The regional gang with control over your money is your government. Money is the true implement of human governance. Bitcoin breaks your government's chokehold on money. So if you are a beginner and want to learn how to make gains as a profitable cryptocurrency investor, sign up to join my beta course at cryptocasey.com/beta to stay up to date on the latest information regarding the beta version and the full and complete version of the course. Wrapping up the beta, it's taking me longer than I thought, so thank you so much for your patience. And if you're interested in learning how to become a developer in the industry, or learn more about the advanced technical concepts of blockchain technology, the best resource available, in my opinion, is Ivan Ontek's Academy. Using the link in the description area below, you can enroll in the course at a discounted price. Well, that was Last Week Crypto with me, Crypto Casey. If you enjoyed the episode, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content. To check out the links to all the articles we discussed, go to cryptocasey.com/lastweekcrypto. So did this video fill your tweet quota for the week? Do you think Bitcoin will test 12K again in the next few days? Are you going to miss out on $50 worth of free cryptocurrency by signing up for Crypto.com? If not, click on the link to Crypto.com in the description area below. Also, let me know your thoughts on everything we covered in the comments. Be safe out there.